This is a brief introduction to a few upgrades that I intend doing on my quad bike.
The next job on my Call on Green quad bike, which is a 1996 Suzuki LT F250, is to change the clutch. I believe the clutch is the same on the four-wheel drive and the two-wheel drive versions of the Quad Runner, and even the King Quad is the same. Got the genuine part there. In Australia it's cost about 250 bucks. The other job I'm going to do, while I've got plastic stripped off, I'm going to replace this ignition box with one that I'm making that will display the current gear selected. This is a 3D printed enclosure that I'm in the process of assembling to replace this unit. The other job on this bike is to, I'm thinking of putting a gear lever on the foot pedal on the other side so that I've got easier gear changes for when you're driving around in a pair of sandals and lifting the gear lever with your foot becomes a little bit painful when you've got uncovered toed boots. I've cleared everything out of the way here. Foot brake cable strung up there. It normally strings across here and goes down to the pedal over this side. I've got the oil sensor unplugged. I've tucked the breather that goes to the brake drum here that normally goes up through there. I've tucked it out of the way. Got the oil filter out. I've drained the oil. I've taken all the bolts out around the periphery of this, I believe. Now I'm looking for spots where I can lever the cover off. It's a lot easier when you've got the motor out of the bike. Things like this little tab here is a lever point that you can normally tap on the back of, but you need perhaps a slide hammer or something to hook over the top of that. There's another tab up here that you can normally hit on. And then I think there's a bit of an edge down here where you can normally get a bit of a knock on it to get this cover off. The cover just sort of plops on when you're fitting it. When it's all aligned, it just drops down with a slight knock, but giving it the same amount of knock to get it off is a little bit more difficult.
We'll get some more done in the next video. Get out to your shed and have some fun.